guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is another makeup tutorial. And this is a glittery eye look. So as you know, I'm brushing my brows up like I always do, and I'm filling in my brows. You guys, I didn't know what to do with my hair. I'm finna get my hair done soon, but I had to do something quick. But yeah, I'm filling in these brows or whatever. Now I'm taking this is Suede again from LA Pro, and I'm using that to conceal my brows. I'm not gonna talk on this part because you guys already know this part, but if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for watching this video. You should definitely watch my other videos. That will be great. Now I'm going in my 352 palette from Morphe, and I'm taking that brown shade that you just saw, that light brown shade. But before I do that, I'm gonna conceal my lids with Tarte Tape Shape and Tan Sand and Color Pop in Dark 42. And I'm just, tapping that on my lid. And as you can see, I went in with the shade, and I'm using that as my transitioning color. And now I'm going in with that darker brown, and I'm gonna put that literally like underneath that lighter shade, or on top, sort of. And I'm just gonna blend that out very well. And now I'm about to cut my crease, and I'm using LA Pro and Suede to cut my crease. Y'all, I haven't done my crease in like so long. I literally do not like. I wish I did my cut crease just a little bit higher, but it is what it is. We learn every day. So yeah, your girl was kind of struggling just a tad bit when it came to the cut crease. And now I'm going in an Anastasia palette. I'll have it listed down below. This shade right here, it looks silver, but like literally it's like gold. So right now it may look like it's silver, but it's not. It's like gold. So I was pretty upset about that because I wanted it to be silver, not gold, but it turned out to be just a tad bit gold. But I was just like, look, we just gonna make it whatever it is right now. I mean, the shade was beautiful. Like, I like it. It's really pretty, but I was expecting it to be silver because it looks silver, but it's gold. And I went in with some duo eyelash glue, and then I went in with some chunky glitter in this silver. It's so bright. I don't know, I should have put my light down so you guys could see, but yeah. Okay. And then I had a hard time with my liner. I was not expecting to do my liner so bright. I mean, not my liner, but yeah, my liner, but I was not expecting to do it so dramatic like that. I don't know why I said bright. I'm just thinking about the light. But yeah, it was so dramatic, and I was just pretty upset about it, but it still looked cute. But I was just like, I did not want my liner to be that long and dramatic, but whatever. So yeah, but the glitter came out really pretty. I went off camera to did my lashes and everything and my liner, but now I'm taking my NYX primer, my photo finish NYX primer. I love this primer so much, and I'm just putting that all over my face. And now I'm going in my favorite foundation. I have to find another foundation to use. I can't just keep like using this all the time. I want to use something else, but this is like my favorite foundation. This is Milani in Chestnut, and I'm taking my big beauty blender from Real Technique, and I'm just patting that into the skin, tapping into the skin, and getting like this awesome finished look. And now I'm going in with ColourPop in Dark 42 concealer, and I'm just applying that under my eyes, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. By the way, I wish I didn't use that concealer. It's nothing wrong with it. I really like it, but I kind of feel like it's just too bright, and like I'm kind of like I don't know, probably was looking like for something more warmer. But yeah, I just honestly did it because I wanted to try it by itself. And I'm just taking my smaller beauty blender from Real Technique, and I'm just blending out the concealer. I'm sorry guys if you guys see me like talking a lot. It's because I'm on the phone with my sisters. So yeah. And now I'm taking my I'm taking my setting powder, and this is Topaz and Laura Mercier as always. Next time is going to be Honey from Fenty Beauty, because I freaking love her, and I heard nothing but good stuff about it, so I'm ready to use it. And so I'm just putting that all over my face, and I'm setting my brows. I'm setting everything. Everything is getting set. And now I'm going in with Black Opal and Ebony, and I'm about to contour. I actually need to go get me a lighter shade to contour. I feel like I love ebony, but I think I need to go like one shade lighter to contour, or just because I just want to buy it and I just want to get another one. Blend, blend. Girl, you talk too much. I'm sorry, guys, if you like, if certain parts like you can't really see my face fully. It's because I honestly forgot I was recording, y'all. I'm sorry. Like, I just got into the conversation to the point where like I forgot that I was recording. I'm doing the most. What is wrong? And now I'm taking my gel liner in Inglot number 77, and I'm using that to put liner underneath my eye. And I'm just like using a brush to put it on, just to give it like a little smoke, like a little smoky look. And now I'm going in my face powder, and this is Dark Deep from MAC. I'm just taking out all the setting powder out my face. Girl, you just talking too much. And now I'm taking my brow gel, and then I'm setting my face with NYX setting spray. And then I took a brow lip pencil, and I'm lining up my lips. And then I had to stop and highlight real quick, y'all, because I almost forgot from all this talking. So, kind of backwards. My nose, chin. And then I went and put some blush on. And now I'm taking Mahogany from Anastasia bronzer. And I'm just bronzing up real quick. And now I'm taking Lipland. Guys, I don't know what color it is. I bought this, like, I bought it and I barely used it. I don't know what name it is, and it doesn't even say it on the bottom, I don't think. And you guys already know I'm taking Angel Food Cake from NYX lip gloss, and I'm applying that all over my lip. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, although I was talking the whole video. I'm so sorry. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the fam. Hit that subscribe button so you know that you messing with your girl, Nene. And don't forget to hit that bell so you know when I drop another video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.